Okay, this is a '89 Dodge Speeder here in upstate New York, where the trucks don't last too long. This is mainly used for winter here. The salt will tear up everything. I keep this one washed off as much as possible. Usually so damn cold while you're washing it, the water freezes. But it's got 318, 33. Motor runs great. Had some work just to keep it going. Inside, obviously. Spotlight and stuff on it I like. This is what an '88. This is what salt in the roads will do to you. Believe it or not, 2 years ago this truck was passed. It passed inspection. There we go. Trying to keep this one as washed, as clean as possible. Keep it on the road for as many winters to come. I really do love this truck. And it's too bad it's in New York.